Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be full of cleaning motivation, a little bit of summer decor, and a little bit of redecorating around my house with things that I already own. I've been doing this a lot lately and it makes my space feel completely new and fresh without having to spend any money. I hope you guys are excited for this video, and if you are, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd really love to have you here on my channel, and come say hi in the comments. So today we are starting off this video in the master bedroom. I wanted to go ahead and wash my duvet cover because I'm going to be remaking my bed and showing you how I'm going to change some things up at the end of this video. And then we're going to move on into the kitchen and tackle this mess of dishes. But if your kitchen looks like this, you're definitely not alone. It's so easy to let your kitchen just kind of pile up and get dirty and just full of dishes, because honestly, I didn't want to do it. My sister had been spending a couple days with me, so I really wanted to spend time with her, and the mess can always wait. So I want this video to be the first of like a little summer series. I want to do some recipes, some little fun summer things, some summer decor, summer cleaning. So I just think it'd be fun to do a little series for each season. I kind of already do that anyway with decorating videos, but I want to make it more dedicated of like an actual summer series. So I hope you guys are excited for that. And if you have any things you want to see in my videos, just let me know down below. I hope that as you watch this, you're either relaxing or cleaning along with me. And if you want to throw it up on your TV or on your phone, I always like to clean to YouTube videos or music. It's like my two favorite things to do because I honestly don't get to listen to music that much. So that's why I actually love cleaning my house. I don't think of it as a chore. I actually really love it. It's like therapeutic for me to clean and just to see something go from super messy and dirty to super nice and cozy. So I wanted to show you guys, I'm going to clean out my sink just using really hot water and just a little bit of bleach, because I feel like our sink gets really gross. And I usually clean it with Barkeeper's Friend, but I felt like today it just needed a little bit of bleach. Like, I don't like using all the chemicals, but I know for sure it's clean and sanitized after I did this. And like I said in one of my previous videos, I want to get a white sink and a black faucet, but the sink I want has been out of stock every time I try to go to order it. So hopefully we can get that in soon. Now it's time to wipe off the counters. I actually love wiping off my counters because it makes me get all the little clutter things and put them away. And again, I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's rose scented spray. I love it. It smells so nice for summer, but I did put just a little bit of bleach on the counters to make sure they're sanitized, because we throw everything on this main countertop and I feel like it just needed to be cleaned. So moving on to wiping off our table and chairs, I really want to restain this tabletop, so I might do that in an upcoming video. It's a little too dark and it's really messed up on top. You can't see it, but there's so many spots and it just looks warped. I don't know if that makes sense, but I really want to strip it and then repaint just the tabletop, and I think it would look much nicer and fit in with our space a little bit more. So now into the living room, there's just trash and stuff I need to pick up. All the stuff that I've bought at TJ Maxx and Home Goods is on the floor. And so it's just time to pick up and see what all we can get done in a quick period of time. It's always so nice to just do a quick little pickup, especially when I've been putting it off for a long time like I have been today. It was nice to just go ahead and pick up things that have just been sitting there that need to go. And then we're going to freshen up the couch and vacuum the whole 9 yards that I usually do in this living room. Spraying my Mrs. Meyer's Peony Room Scent Spray. It just smells so good and gives your space a nice little refresh. And then I'm going to go ahead and vacuum this rug. And while I was vacuuming, I'm always thinking about things I want to do differently in my house. And I'm kind of over this rug that I have in here. I feel like it just isn't my style anymore. And I'm trying to make this space a more modern farmhouse vibe. So I was like, I might switch out this rug with our bedroom rug. And yeah, so you'll see how that goes. Then I had to clean off our coffee table. The night before, our power was out for almost 12 hours. It was awful. And when we came into the house, it was pitch black, and I had left some coffee on the coffee table, and my dogs hit the table so hard it knocked it all over, and it went everywhere. So it was really sticky and gross, even though you can't really tell in this clip. So I spent a good minute trying to wipe that thing down, and it was like all over the bottom little rails. So it was really sticky and in need of a good cleaning. And as always, you have to light a candle. This one is called Lava by DW Home from Home Goods. And oh my goodness, I think it's one of my favorite candles I've ever bought. Here we are. I decided to give this rug a good vacuum, and then I was like, I'm going to try to switch it by myself, which probably wasn't the smartest idea. You'll see I struggled really hard in our bedroom, but I love the way it turned out. And after all the work I put into trying to get this moved, it was definitely worth it. Do you guys ever just get ideas like this randomly and then switch things around in your home when your husbands aren't home, and then you regret doing it? Because I pulled my back out so many times in the next few clips trying to get my rug out from under my bed in our bedroom because it's so heavy. So I should have waited, but I don't like to wait. So when I bought this rug, and I put it under my bed by myself, so I figured I could get it out by myself, but yeah, I cut out a lot of the clips because it was honestly really embarrassing how hard I was trying. We finally got it, and I wanted to give it a really good vacuum since it's been under the bed for a while, and there was a lot of dog hair on here, but thankfully this Dyson vacuum gets it all up no problem. I put it on boost mode when I'm trying to do like a really good vacuum, and I feel like it worked really well. Slowly started putting some things back to see how I liked it. This rug is a little bit smaller than my old one. It's an 8x10 instead of a 9x12. But for now, I really like the change. I might end up getting a different one as time goes on. I really would love to get a ruggable so I could wash it, but I really like it, and I think it made the space feel a little bit more cozy, farmhousey, like the modern farmhouse vibe that I'm going for. I wanted to show you guys these sheets I got from TJ Maxx on clearance for $13. I love the detailing on them, and they're so cute, and we're going to be putting these on my bed later. So another thing that I just randomly decided to do was to switch out the curtains in our bedroom with the ones I have in the guest room. These went better with a different bedspread that I have, but since I'm changing like my bedding around, I wanted to change my curtains, of course, which is totally fine because I'm going to use these in the guest room, so it's not like they're just being wasted. But I definitely wanted to switch some things out. So the curtains that I'm putting on are from IKEA, and they are my all-time favorite curtain. Like, I would probably always repurchase these. They're called the Matilda curtain. I'm pretty sure they still sell them. And they're $19.99 for 2 panels, and they're 96 inches or something. They're really long, so I love that. So I'm gonna put these up, and I love the way they looked. They added so much more texture, and I don't know, they just fit in with my space a lot better.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Curtain rods are really tricky because you have to put them in a certain way because of the wall. So it's like, it took me forever to figure out how to do it. I know that was kind of silly, but I love the way these look, and especially with the curtain rods, I think they add a nice little bit of warmth to the space.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands.
I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek of some of the summer decor that I'm gonna be doing in my home. I'm really into lemons. That's like my favorite thing to decorate for summer. It just adds a nice little pop of fun, and I never decorate with yellow, so I feel like it just warms up my space a lot. So this is just a little sneak peek of some of the things I'm going to be showing you in a couple more videos.
And we'll grow in number.
I'm putting a new pillow cover on this old pillow from Target that my dogs ripped the tassels off of, and it's so cute. It says it's so good to be home, and it was only $7.99 on Amazon. I love their pillow covers and this like linen-y burlappy material, so I'm definitely going to be ordering some more to cover up some old pillows.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
So now to make the bed. So I'm putting on the new sheets that I showed you guys earlier from TJ Maxx, and I washed them, made sure they were all nice and dry. The only thing is they are 100% cotton, so they get wrinkledy so easily, and this is like fresh out of the dryer, so I'm definitely not going to iron my sheets. I don't know, I just can't do that. So it takes me forever to make my bed because now I have 2 duvet covers. I use a white one and then a gray one, but I really like the way it looks, and I ended up picking up some Euro pillows from Home Goods that I've been wanting forever. So I'm going to just show you guys how I make my bed, and I've actually changed this method a few times since I filmed this video. I had too many pillows up on the bed. I think I had like 10 or 12. favorite new additions is this throw blanket from TJ Maxx. I've been wanting it for a long time, and then when I went and everything was on clearance, it was on sale for $15. I love the texture and the little tassels at the end. It's so cute, and it just really completed our bedroom. So that is it. It is all clean. The curtains look so good, and I think I'm going to do a little dresser makeover too with some of the decor over that. So I have so many fun ideas like in my head. I just hope I can actually do them. So I love the way everything turned out. It's all clean and cozy, and I was exhausted by this point in the video. So I gave you guys a quick little overview of what my house looks like now that it's all clean. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you'd subscribe and give it a thumbs up. That really helps smaller channels out like mine, and I really appreciate everything that you guys do and all the support you give my videos. So thank you again for watching. I hope you all are staying safe and well, and I'll see you in my next video.